So I'm opening panini prizm football cards. There is base prizm, silver, red, blue, disco, rookie prizm, silver, red, blue, disco, fireworks, prizm breaks, emergent, hype, new recruits, brilliant, premier jerseys, and rookie gear. Got from Ross Cards and Coffee, $59.99. Let's get opening. My sister's here.
And my name is Dawson. He said my sister's here, and I said my name is Dawson.
So there's the packs. I'm gonna put 3 on the right and 3 on the left. This pack. Okay, Hayden Hurst, base. Devontae Parker. Okay. Dawson Knox.
Dawson.
Nice card. Okay. And Joe Montana. What is this? This is a good card. This looks.
It was just for $10 at
This.
Mm-hmm.
And this looks like it was $10 at the store we went to get it. So let's leave this up. Okay, nice card. Okay, now let's go to the right. Ooh, I got a thick card in here. So, Tom Brady, base. Kellen Mond. And Zach Wilson, rookie card. Jersey. Premier. Nice silver. I think this is the disco card.
Ooh,
It's silver. Nice card.
I want to.
Let's see if I can sleeve it up.
So it's fat.
Is this numbered? No, it's not numbered.
Say.
No,
Say
I can't get this in. But yeah, good card. My Joe Montana even numbered? Nope. But let's go with this one.
You just roll it, you can just roll it. You didn't do your whole pack.
Oh yeah, and here's my Amari Cooper end. Also, like the same one as this Joe Montana. Let's see if that up.
I thought that was the same one.
So yeah, good card too. So that's a pretty good pack. Let's go for this one. Going for the right again, I think. Here's Zach Wilson. So, Darius Slayton. Christian Wilkins. Looks like we have an autograph coming up. Okay.
Ooh.
Blue rainbow looking rookie card. Lions. Penalties Sewell, it looks like. Okay, card.
Wish me good luck.
And last card, Kellen Mond Viking rookie card. Emergent. So that's the emergent hype.
Sleeve it up.
Sleeve that up.
He can become big if Kirk Cousins gets hurt this year.
Huh? He?
Yeah.
He's a quarterback? So yeah, that's a good card. Going to the left. Okay. Drew Sample. Doesn't go. Nick Bolton. Oh, my mom's coming back, so. Nick Bolton, rookie card. Antonio Gates. That looks like the red disco.
Nice.
So yeah, that's a really good card.
Hey, Mom. You gotta serve.
We have 2 more packs left.
So, wish it good luck.
Which last card?
Logan Thomas. And a Logan Thomas. Okay. Let's go to the right this time. Ooh, this feels thick. Fun. J.K. Dobbins. I think that's how you say him. J.K. Dobbins. J.K. Dobbins. Patrick Peterson on the Vikings. My dad really likes the Vikings. Rookie card. Marquise Stevenson. Rookie card. Okay, let's sleeve that up. Breven Jordan, rookie card. He's on the Texans. Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe and push the notification bell. So, last pack. Last pack of the Panini Prizm. And at the end, I'm going to show you all my cards I got. So yeah, last card. Last pack. Amari Cooper. Ooh, I know who I could trade this. Hunter. Deebo Samuel. I don't like the 49ers. Joey Bosa. And Anthony Schwartz rookie card. I think he did actually pretty well this year. I mean, like, he was playing. So yeah, rookie card and Joey Bosa. I'm going to save both of those. So yeah, that's a pretty good card. So yeah, that's all of the cards. I'll show you all the cards I got from first, not in order, but from med cards to really good cards. So, I guess I'm gonna go from the back. Okay. So yeah, I got Amari Cooper, Patrick Peterson, Jacob Dobbins, Drew Sample, Deebo Samuel, Christian Wilkins, Darius Slayton, Kellen Mond, rookie card, Tom Brady, Dawson Knox, Devontae Parker, and Hayden Hurst. And here's my hit cards that I sleeved up. Eventually I'm going to sleeve every single one up, but yeah. These are just like my hit cards that I just sleeve up. So we got the Joe Montana, the Brevin Jordan, Anthony Schwartz, Joey Bosa, Marquez Stevenson, Logan Thomas, Antonio Gates, Nick Bolton, Emergent Kellen Mond, I don't know how to say his name. If any of you do, go down in the comments below. So, yeah. That one. Zach Wilson, rookie card. This is probably, in my opinion, the best card I got. Jersey card. And the Amari Cooper. This was, I think, in the first pack. So, yeah. That was all. Bye.